Dear friends of the Violetraysgarage, today I am working on a true legend and one of my absolute favorite devices. It is a Tefra M53, the black edition. Tefra says that is the best device we ever made, and I want to have a closer look. As you can see, each of the bolts is sealed. I have to open this to get inside. Okay, so here is bolt number 1. Okay, breaking the next seal. It hurts a little bit. Oh, because this device has been closed, has been sealed now for around 70 years, which is a lot of time for an electronic device. But it's working. It's not working at the moment, or just at a very low power, so I have to do something and open it. There is no other way to get inside. I need to open it here. Okay, and here is the first candidate to be removed. Okay, let's see if we can get it out. Yes, we can. So next one. Okay, here. Okay, good. Here is the next one. Okay, doesn't want completely to come out, don't know why. Okay, so take some other bolt. This is kind of bakelite, very hot. Let's see how successful I am with taking this stuff out. Okay, now it's happening here. It's okay for me. Okay, now the guarantee is lost for the device. I cannot give it back to Tefra. Sorry. Okay, good. Okay, so okay. Now here is something special. If you want to be able to work, maybe I leave it like this. Don't know at the moment. Okay, now here we have one of the best devices ever produced in Germany. We have two driver coils, and they both are going to the Wagnerian hammer. This is here, and the strength of the hammer is adjusted with 2 metal plates. The driver coils are not only connected to the Wagnerian hammer, they are also connected to these caps here. And in my opinion, the caps are the problem in our case, because the output of the device is very, very weak. So this will be, I think, the job for me to replace, on the first hand, to replace the cables, and on the second hand to replace the caps. The strength regulation of the Tefra is something really unique. it is a metal plate that is going between two coils. And the stronger the interruption through this metal is, the weaker is the output. If you turn it like this, there is no interruption between the coils, then the output is the maximum. So let's continue with this friend here. Okay, here is the cable incoming. So I first cut this cable and replace it with a new one. Okay, it's coming out here somehow. Maybe I can use this, not completely sure. I don't want to destroy so much stuff. So this is my already prepared cable, which I want to connect. Okay, good. Should be enough space for us to get into the machine. Let's see how we can manage to do this. Okay. Good. We are going like this. And here we are. Okay. So this is the first step that we are taking. Good. Bring it in a little bit more. So where can we get through this thing? Okay. I think I will solder it. First free the tip. Okay. I think there's a little hole here, which I think I will take. And it's yeah, let's try it. No, does not work at the moment. So turn. So let's see. Maybe it can be done now. A little bit complicated because there's not so much room for this. Maybe we do it otherwise. Let's see if we can make it. If we can do it the easy way. This means I am drilling this cable here. Now I solder it. No. Okay. Preparing. Soldering. Okay. Now let's see if we can connect it here. Yes, that's good. Good connection. So now we do the same on the other side. I think I took too much away from the cable here. This now can be a problem. I need to go the other way, which is also okay for me. Okay. can do something like this. Put some soldering here. Okay. Put it. Oh, hot. Ah, this is somehow bad. Okay. Good. Yeah. That's okay. To secure it a little bit, I'm using one of these guys, so I don't want the cable to slip out. Let's slip out here, take a smaller one. Yeah, because if it slips out, it can destroy our construction here. Complicated. We take a little bit time. We are not in a hurry today. Where is the right plier? No. I can try this one. I am taking you through this process so you can understand my daily suffering. So here we are. And nope. Yeah. Okay, this should help. Good. Okay. So now we have here connection here and connection there. The power is coming to the driver coils. Now the capacitors. Okay. Oh, very careful here. There's a construction to keep those in place. And I want to be careful with it. Okay. First I want to desolder that. Believe me, this cable here is one of the most critical things because it's so heavy isolated that really if you cut it at the wrong place you will never be able to connect them again here. Okay. Some of you may know that if you want to desolder old solder material, that you put some of the new solder onto it. Oh, that's right here. Oh, it's a little bit difficult today. No problem. We are keeping cool. I don't want to destroy this cable. This is one of the biggest problems. To get this cable away from the caps. finally. A little bit of brutality can sometimes help. We need some patience here. Did I tell that I don't like to be patient? Okay. Okay. Good. We tried this in peace. Did not work. Okay. We have other possibilities. Okay. Now I want to get rid of these caps. If the output of your old Tefra is low, you can be sure that one of the biggest problems that you have is this cap here. Not sure. Okay. Here we are doing the same. The caps is connected here. I want to cut it here. You see there are two cables that are connected here, and I want both of them to stay where they are. Okay. Okay. Now. Okay. Let's muddling around. I hate it. So good. Okay. So now we are at this point. Good. Take a deep breath and then continue. Nothing that's happening here. There we have it. Okay, good. Good. Okay. Take a deep breath and then think about how you want to continue. Okay. This is the package of caps that I want to connect here, and not quite sure how I can fix them, but I have an idea. Okay. Okay. Now I need my glue. There it is. Let's try if I can. No, I won't do that. I won't do that. I will do it otherwise. Okay. First I want to find out if it's working or not. And therefore I will solder it into the whole system. here is not a question of beauty, that's a question of contact here, and this is super critical because of the heavily isolated cable here. Okay, good. This is the first thing that I wanted to do. Now I need my, where's the cable? Yeah. Okay. So, okay. Cable. So now I want to connect this cable. To connect this cable here. Okay. So, okay. Good. Now I want this cable to go out somewhere here. Come on, here we are. So here is our cable. Good. And I want to connect this cable here. Okay. You have to keep in mind that if you buy such a old in 53, it also could be that it will not work anymore because the devices really are very, very old, and you know, all this electrical stuff can die. Okay. This depends on how careful the device was used before, and this also depends on the times that the device had in former times to cool down between the treatments. So this is not beautiful at the moment, but I just want to find out if this was the problem. The capacitors have been the problem. Okay. At the moment I don't do anything with the cables. Not with the cables to the handle. So we have the same procedure. We have our cap here. And we want to connect it. First attempt did not work, no problem. We have time. So do it again. So, okay. Let's see. I'll make this more beautiful afterwards, but this is just to have something like a test if I can bring that device back to working order again. And if I'm able to, I can put more effort in the cleanliness of my repair. Okay, you see, that's really difficult here. I think this is the most critical thing if you are renovating an old Tefra, the connection to this coil. You have to be extremely careful with this, and if you don't have the good connection here, your device will not work because the energy is not flowing through this regulation and everything is wasted. Okay. I found this hole again and go through it with the cable. Let's see. A little bit short, but it could work. Okay, good. So something like this here. Solder it. And now I want to connect it. Okay, it looks good. Okay, now I have the two capacitor packages installed, and I would like to see if the device is working stronger now than it did before. So this means I need a testing setup. Okay, let's see. The plug. Hammer sounds good. Oh, very big. No, I don't know where the problem is. It's not the caps. You see, there's nearly nothing happening here. It's a little bit problematic. It won't get any stronger. Let's try it. This is a spark length of 0.8 centimeter, which is 8 millimeter. It is absolutely not enough. I'll have a closer look on the coil later on. Looks like some problem in the handle. This is bad news. Okay, thank you, dears. And here is the end of the Tefra so far. I will come back with a little video for the handle.